Good afternoon. In this video, I will explain closure property for integers. Okay. What is integers? Integers are like whole number. These are integer positive numbers and these are negative numbers. So this is called integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no end, and left hand side -1, -2, -3, there is no end. So these are all integers. We will see in this chapter, we will see so many properties. First closure, then commutative, then associative. First we will see closure property. Okay, what is closure property? First understand what is property. What is closure property? Suppose take any two integers. Okay, if their addition and add both the integers, if the result is integers, then you can say it is closed under that operation. We will see for four operations, for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, for division, one by one. Don't get confused. Okay, confused मत हो. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी वो प्रॉपर्टी है, कोई भी दो इंटीजर ले लो, ठीक है, दोनों को जोड़ दो, ऐड कर दो, और रिजल्ट अगर इंटीजर आया तो वो क्लोज्ड है, और नहीं आया तो वो क्लोज नहीं है. वन बाय वन वी विल सी फॉर ऑल ऑपरेशन. ओके, नाउ टेक, दिस इज फॉर एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. First take a and b are two integers. A और b two integers है. Okay, I am taking, you can take any value. Okay, a and b are any value. A and b are any two integers. Take a equal to what you will take? Take any. I am taking -2. Okay, a equal to -2 and b equal to 4. Okay, b equals to 4. These are both are integers. I am clearing this. Okay, now a equal to -2 and b equals to 4. Both are integers. Now if we add a and b, I am adding a and b. A plus b. What is the result you will get? -2 plus. We are adding both the integers. Why we are adding? We are doing this operation for addition. That's why we are adding. -2 plus then 4. Okay, this -2 is an integer, 4 is an integer. If you solve this, what you will get? You will get 2. Okay, minus and plus, you have to subtract from larger number to smaller number. Why? Because first one is negative, one is positive. 4 minus 2, 2. And what is the greater number? Greater number is 4. That's why you have the sign before 2 is positive. That's why the result is 2. Now think, 2 is an integer or not? Yes, 2 is an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under addition operation. What is the result behind it? Integers are closed under which operation? Under addition. Yes, correct. Concentrate. I have already explained, but I am repeating in this video. Now, you know addition is clear. Now take for another operation. Let a and b are integers. I am taking the same value for your easiness. Okay, a equals to 2. Here a equals to -2 and b equals to 4. Okay, now do the operation. What is the property saying? What property is saying? If you subtract a minus b, what will be the result? What is the value of a? -2. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to subtract. आपको क्या करना है? सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. एडिशन के लिए देख ली, सब्सट्रैक्ट. Put the value of b, that is 4. Now what is the result? -2 माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा -2 -4 व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? If both the numbers are negative, you have to add all the numbers. So 4 plus 2 equal to 8. Sorry, 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. And what is the greater number? 4. Before that which sign is there? Minus. So put minus sign. दोनों माइनस है तो आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा 4 to 6 और बड़ा साइन बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है 4 है तो उसके पहले नेगेटिव तो नेगेटिव. Now -6. Think -6 is an integer. Yes, it is an integer. That's why we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. What is the result? Integers are also closed. Integers are all closed under subtraction. Clear? What is the remark? It's a remark. What is the result? क्या रिजल्ट आया कि ये दोनों क्लोज्ड है, यानी दोनों कोई भी दो इंटीजर्स अगर है और उसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमको रिजल्ट इंटीजर ही मिलेगा. नाउ टेक अनदर फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. आई एम टेकिंग द सेम वैल्यू -2 एंड b इक्वल्स टू 4. नाउ डू विच ऑपरेशन फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन? a multiplied by b. What is the value of a? -2. What is the value of b? 4. 4 into 2, 8. Now what is the sign? If you are doing multiplication, first one is negative, one is positive, then the result will be negative. -8. -8 think, -8 is an integer. -8 integer है क्या? दोनों इंटीजर है, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, रिजल्ट क्या आया? इंटीजर आया. रिजल्ट इंटीजर आया तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? यस, क्लोज्ड है. सो इंटीजर्स आर क्लोज्ड. Integers are closed under multiplication. Under multiplication. Yes, correct. Now jump to the fourth operation, and that is division. I am taking the same value a equals to -2 and b equals to 4. Now a divided by b. Put the value of a -2 divided by b 4. You can write like this -2 divided by 4 ऐसा लिख सकते हो आप. Then 1 in what is the 2 1 is 2 2 2 is 4 -1 by 2. Now -1 by 2 is an integer? No, it's a fraction. So it is not an integer. So what is the result? फ्रैक्शन आया. -2 और -4 को डिवाइड करने से क्या रिजल्ट आया? -1 by 2. ये इंटीजर है क्या? नहीं है, ये इंटीजर नहीं है, ये क्या फ्रैक्शन है. तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? इंटीजर्स आर नॉट क्लोज्ड. इंटीजर्स आर नॉट क्लोज्ड. आर नॉट क्लोज्ड अंडर विच ऑपरेशन? अंडर डिवीजन. क्लियर? डिवीजन में दो कोई भी एक इंटीजर को दूसरे इंटीजर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिजल्ट इंटीजर नहीं आता. हाँ, एक चीज और, यहां पर कुछ कुछ ऑपरेशन में आ भी सकता है, तो ऐसा नहीं हर कंडीशन में. दिस इज फॉर ट्रू फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कंडीशन. दैट्स व्हाई in this condition it is not coming. That's why integers are not closed under division. Okay, now we will see for commutative. Okay, thanks a lot.